If you've been on QE2 before, you'll know about these beautiful teak handrails that go around the entire ship. And one of the things that's been fascinating to see is that they're constantly working on these. I think they just make their way around the whole time, a bit like painting the Forth Bridge. But at the time of my visit, they've done the entire port side, and they're gleaming, beautiful. So we've got a lovely teak deck, lovely teak handrails. Interestingly enough, the QE2 originally didn't have teak handrails. They were originally black plastic, but these are much nicer. I took a great photo in 2008 of my mum and her friend Betty sitting on this bench admiring the view in the middle of the Mediterranean. It was great because it was funny, the pair of them. So I thought I'd sit here again. One thing's changed though. When the ship was handed over to the new owners, Cunards were a bit fussy about their name appearing anymore on the ship. So the letters were removed from front of the ship. But they were also removed from this bench. Actually been sanded out of here.